What is up, everybody? We are going on the world's largest cruise ship, Icon of the Seas. Let's go! No way. Onboard the world's largest cruise ship. Let's go. I'm already seeing the Pearl right here. We are going to grab some mac and cheese or crepes in the Aquadome Market. Here's the crepe stand right here. They have a little Asian bar. The mac and cheese bar is right here.
Get some mac and cheese. How we doing?
And then we have a Mediterranean bar here as well. Just ordered a crepe. Mason got some Asian. Aiden's destroying his
I got
crepe.
the works, baby.
We're getting some Mediterranean right now. We've honestly just been eating at all of these places in the Aquadome Market. They're all so good and hard to choose from. There's a toast place here as well. I didn't see this place. Looks just like sandwiches. I ate on my first day.
You already know. Gotta chow down.
City of Miami.
We can get some numbers.
Our first look at the Aquadome. It's actually on deck 15 on the Icon of the Seas. Usually it's on the back of the boat. You can always find Ben at the bar. Here we have the overlook. As you can see, we have Central Park down here. We have up here the lime and coconut. This is actually the biggest pool on any cruise ship.
The Wheel Island!
World's largest water park at sea.
Let me.
Aiden came prepared with his sweatpants on.
Let's check it out. I want to get a picture of last year, so I want to take a picture of me. Whoa! Wow, look at that. Is this a golf course?
You know I'll be here this week. We got Surfside down here. We will definitely be exploring every single part of this boat. We're going to ride some slides. Yo, this is insane. Woo! Whoa! Ah! Alrighty, we just rode 5 of the 6 water slides here on Icon, and now we are going to flow ride. Alrighty, little room tour. Whoa. Got the bathroom. Nice. And of course we have one big bed. One bed from here and on the couch as well. Some closet space. We are still in the interior room because Royal Caribbean has yet to sponsor me, which is crazy. I don't know how they haven't yet. Wow.
Oh, back out. That's what I was thinking. Love this song.
promenade is awesome.
Not sure what's the. I think last time I looked, it was. Yeah, all together with taxes and everything. Yeah, it goes down to like
Look at this cool dog. A dog actually lives on this boat, so hopefully we see him this week. Escalators down into the casino.
You're gonna see a lot more.
Gambling at the bar? Nah.
No way.
That's foul. That is actually foul.
Ben, how much money are you gonna win this week?
3K, 3 bets.
Aiden, how much money are you gonna win this week?
1 million!
We got the dining room here. We'll be eating here for dinner every single night. Let's go. Holy cow. This thing is insane. And now we have entered the Pearl Cafe, which we're probably gonna get some food because I'm kind of hungry again.
This is where you'll find Mason at 12:30 in the morning. After one too many
More
shots.
food.
The Pearl and the Pearl Cafe. What do they serve in the middle of the day?
We're going up, check out Central Park. Whoa.
All right, so here we got a bunch of trees. It's very beautiful, very scenic. We have the Trellis Bar. We got Izumi. We got everything you could possibly need right here on the icon. Check it out.
The Park Cafe. Little salad bar here. Aiden got some pineapple. Got some drinks, Coke freestyle machine over there too. Bunch of random desserts and stuff. We're trying to explore the ship right now. It's kind of hard because we keep stopping at every single place to eat and we just keep eating more food. But I guess that's just what you do when you're on a cruise ship. Let's go check out Surfside.
Take right.
Dang.
We'll watch this.
This place is insane. Oh my god, that's insane. This can't be safe. Oh my gosh, this thing is not safe. Arcade.
If you switch it from the wall and
How cool.
This is the wall to the ball to the
Hoop.
redo it. This is the wall to the ball to the hoop trick shot. Check it out.
They got ice cream right here and more food right here. And we've got a cool view of the back of the boat. As you can see, we're eating very healthy on this cruise. Got a little adults and kids pool area right here. And then we have the back of the boat. Beautiful view of Miami. Look at this guy.
You guys doing this?
Chicken and fries. We're about to hop on the carousel right now.
My food.
Ben's too cool for the carousel. Yay!
Of course.
Everywhere we walk,
It's a dirty ivory.
we can't avoid it. This place is awesome. Surfside Eatery was good. Yo, Aiden, smile.
I don't look like he wants it.
More food. We need help. Stay tuned for mini golf later in this week. We are currently riding the flow rider, just hanging out. There's like no line, and we are sailing away from beautiful Miami. Miami Beach. beautiful.
Hey, what's up guys? Music Man Aiden here, back at it again with another mini vlog. We're in the hot tub, chilling.
Hey, shout out Lucas Kino. We got 7:36. Dinner's at 8 o'clock. Let's go get ready. Ready? It is pajama night tonight on board the Icon, our first night. We're headed to the main dining room right now, and we don't know what's for dinner yet, but I guess we're about to find out. Let's go.
We are waiting so long.
Thank you. We have the welcome aboard menu. The appetizers have come out. Me, Ben, Aiden all went with the tomato soup, and Mason got the escargot. We got the prime rib, me, Ben, and Mason. And then we got Aiden's chicken asad.
Chicken sod.
Look at us.
Chat.
Into the Aqua Dome for the Aqua Theater show tonight. Incredible show. Sorrento's a classic. We are now exploring, moving away from the Royal Promenade, and we moved into the Royal Theater, which is a very beautiful space on this beautiful cruise ship.
I'll go see after the
Balloons are about to drop.
3, 2, 1.
We just finished the balloon drop. It's currently 12 right now. We're headed back to the room. We might go to bed. We have a long day tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a day at sea, so. Aiden's already been in bed for like an hour. Oh, he's in there sleeping.